Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to prepare Vanjanam fish fry, or it's called as Sear fish fry. Very simple. The ingredients that I used is a kilo of fish steak. This is sear fish. You can use any fish for this recipe, doesn't mean you have to use sear fish. And for the marinade, I've used cumin powder, pepper powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, tomato ketchup, and the vinegar. Normally we don't use tomato ketchup for this recipe, it's always tamarind paste or tamarind water, but something new. Now I've washed the fish with a little bit of lime and salt to remove all that fish sort of smell, and I just cleaned that. I've washed everything thoroughly and I've just set it in a plate. Now in a bowl I'm going to mix all the ingredients for the marinade, and I'm going to add the turmeric and the chili, the cumin and the pepper powder, along with the vinegar and tomato ketchup. Now, while mixing this marinade, if it's dry, please don't add water. You should substitute it either with tamarind water or only with vinegar. You cannot mix water for this marination. It has to be tamarind water or the vinegar. Now, when I was mixing this, it went dry and I had to add extra vinegar, and I mixed everything along with the salt. I've added salt as per our taste. You can adjust the salt, and this is something we enjoy with sambar and rice. This recipe is really tasty. You can serve this as a starter as well, not a problem. Now as you see, it's completely dry. I'm going to add some vinegar and check for the heat. If required, you can add chili powder. I did add chili powder and some vinegar. This is how the marination is. Look at the consistency. This is exactly what you should need to marinate the fish. Now we are going to marinate the fish sticks. And this is so simple. Once you get the marination on the fish, it's done. You have to refrigerate it for at least 4 to 5 hours. If you don't have time, 1.5 hours minimum. 4 to 5 hours, excellent fish recipe. Do refrigerate it and marinate it for 4 to 5 hours. You'll have excellent fish fry. And this is how we apply the marination on the fish. Now my mom is doing that, and once we finish that, we're going to transfer it to a bowl, cover it, and refrigerate it. Now we finished refrigerating this, and I've removed this from the refrigerator, and I've got it to a room temperature to fry the fish, and this is how it looks. Now we have gone ahead, heated a iron tawa. You can use an iron skillet. We have added sunflower oil in that, and we're going to start frying the fish. This is way too simple recipe. And to heat the tawa, please place the flame on high to heat the tawa. Then you have to completely bring it down to a very low flame. The fish should cook on a low flame. It takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes to cook, and you get yummy fish, fried fish. Now be very gentle while turning the fish to the other side, because once it is gone brown to one side, you have to slowly flip that to the other side. Now as you see, we are very gentle while we are turning this fish to the other side, so do be very gentle, otherwise this sear fish has a tendency to crumble. So this is how it looks. Now the detailed recipe description is in my blog site with the precise measurements. Do try this recipe. It's excellent for rice and rasam. South Indians love such fish fry, and I've gone ahead and served it with lemon wedges and radish chutney that I prepared. Recipe description is in my blog site. Do try this recipe and post your comments. I'll see you soon with the next recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.